Alright, so quick update on Chia here. You can see that the bullish divergence here is still active on the RSI as well as the MACD. Nothing has come of this yet. I suspect, like I mentioned before, that this is because Chia isn't really well known on many platforms. I think the biggest platform it's on is OKEX or something like that. So definitely be looking for a move to the upside if we start listing on bigger exchanges such as Binance or maybe even Coinbase. As you can see, the market cap is extremely small as of right now. The fully diluted market cap is around 1 billion, but I'm not too concerned about this as they plan on slowly releasing coins into the ecosystem over 21 years, having halving events like Bitcoin. So over time, the rewards are going to become less and less for miners, which should increase the price of Chia over time. You still see that the market cap is relatively sideways here, which is a good thing. That means not a lot of people are really selling, but also not a lot of people are really buying. We're just kind of flat. But, it's a good thing that people who are invested in this aren't necessarily selling, especially after being in a downtrend for almost a year. And even before that, having quite the move to the downside before we moved into this descending channel here. Now, these type of patterns, a descending channel, usually break to the upside. It is worth a mention that Chia is forming a lot of patterns that a lot of cryptocurrencies make, especially when they get launched. They form something like this, they launch, then it pretty much just goes down to zero. The selling slows off, we make a bull for about a year, and then it spikes again. If Chia does make a move like this, this would be like a 2,000% gain. Yeah, 2,400% gain. So essentially a 20x. There's countless shitcoins that do that all the time, so we'll just have to see how this plays out in my opinion. If we take it off the logarithmic chart, you can see what's happening here. We had a spike as we enter the market. We're forming this bowl shape. And most of the time what I see is one of these. We retest this high over here. Some coins can take years to do this, and other coins will do it relatively soon. I think XRP is a good example of that pattern that I mentioned. If we look at the smaller time frames, it looks like Chia could be forming an uptrend here, at least within the short term. We have higher lows as well as higher highs. We managed to break this previous high again. We can move all the way back up to 80 bucks. And if we take a fib retracement from this high to this low, you can see that we've actually broken back above the 236 level on the Fibonacci retracement. And yeah, we really need to break above the 618 level to at least get a retest of this. So I do expect some resistance around 82 bucks if we make it up there. If we bring much above 82 bucks, our next stop is probably going to be around $97. As you can see, it lines up with this consolidation zone here. So we could expect some resistance. And really, if we break much above this $90, $100 range, we could scoot all the way back up to $150, $200 where this red box is. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so as I post content daily. And as always, this is not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one.